Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Shopify and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you'll have to navigate to these options on the left side and just click on Online Store, then choose Navigation, or you can simply go to Content and choose here the menus option. Now, go to the main menu right here, just click on it, and here is displayed in front of you. Here you'll have these items in the menu section. You just have to click on Add Menu Item and label it and add a link. So in my case, I'll just add a menu for the men clothes. So I'm gonna name it men. Then I'm gonna click on this box, choose collections, then go to men because I already have a men collection. And if you do not actually know how to create collections, you just have to go to products, collections, then click on create collection and name it and add any product that you actually need, add the description, then click on save. Now let's get back to the drop menu. So now I'm gonna click on add menu and name it men. Then I'm gonna add here collections and click on men. I'm gonna add the men collection. And after that, I'm gonna click on add another menu and add a menu for hoodies. So I'm gonna add this menu. I'm gonna label it, then click on the link box, go to collections, then choose hoodies right here. Click on add menu again, and I'm gonna add another section for shoes. So go to collections and choose shoes right here. And you can do actually that till you fill in the whole items that you want to add it to your drop menu. So here I'll just add 3 for the demonstration. You just have to do the same process. Just label it, click on link, then choose any collection from this side. I'm gonna choose t-shirts because I already have a collection for t-shirts. Then now I'm gonna click on save. Now here on the left side, you'll find here these 6 dots. Once you click on it, you can simply drag it and change its position between different menus, or you can simply make this menu in another menu. So it will act as a sub menu. So you just have to drag it like this, then hover over any one of these menus. I'm gonna make it below the men menu. So I just have to make sure that this blue line, as you can see right here, is below the men section. Then just after holding on it, just drop it. So you'll have to just drag like this and drop. And now make sure that you have it inside the menu category, not inside the hoodies category, because like this, it will be in the hoodies category. But no, I want it in the men category. So I'm gonna just leave it like so. So here I have it. Or you can simply click on add menu item to men, then add another menu. But here in my case, I have already created them. So I'm gonna just drag them like this and add them right here. Now I should click on save. Now I'm gonna test my online store. So I'm gonna click on the view icon beside the store. And now here you have it. You have this menu right here. When you just click on it, here you will find all the other categories. And when you click on each category, it will jump you directly to the link that is linked to this menu or this category right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.